Okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie. Let's do this. Sorry guys, I've been messing around completely, but that's fine, right? That's fine. I'm having way too much fun. Playing around on other platforms but that's a part of the good times. Anyways, let's see what happens now. Are we working? Why are we not working? Ah, there we go. There we go. Okay. Give me a second. Give me a second. That's where we're at today. Just okay. We good? We good. I think we're good. We appear to be good. Awesome sauce. Let's do this. That can go away. Now I need to open this. Why is there squid? Why is there a squid on my screen? This is starting super chaotic, but it'll be just grand. It'll be grand. We're gonna have fun. I must just breathe through the chaos, right? Just ooh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. This looks interesting. Why is it making a move already? No. I say no, it'll be good to see if I'm correct with regards to... Not I'm correct. Someone mentioned this. I need to just kind of check it out for myself. That sometimes when there's a big push before opening, that it tends to not be great. Like it dies down a little bit. Oh, Solly! Yo, what up? How's it going? How's it going? Are we ready for the day? Are you ready for the day? I think I'm ready for the day, but I mean, what do I know? Hey, opulent family! Welcome, welcome. I mean, this is looking pretty good for you, right? Where was your TP at? I know you're on the 4 hour. Was it a little bit higher? Was it around the 25104 level? Senseless. Hey, how you doing? FOMC today, right? How am I? I'm good. I'm good. Solly, oh, you're just watching, no trades. Wait. You went 2 to 1 in London. What does that mean? Is that a whoop whoop or uh-oh? Hey, Boom, how's it going? Boom, are you going to be trading today? What do you think? 2 wins, 1 loss. Solly, whoop whoop then. Well done. That's green for good to go, right? Anonymous, well done. I don't know why I say your name like that. I'm sorry. Word up. Teach you. I don't think I'm at any point to be teaching people. I'm still new. What's the platform name? This is Project X. I'm trading with Project X. Here we go. Opulent family, are you feeling amazing right now? This is, wow, this is soaring. This is doing a lot of damage 10 minutes before New York open time. Right, yeah. Let's see, guys. With FOMC happening later today, I'm gonna see if anything presents itself. I must wait for my A+ setups. Here I was thinking that bearish was potentially the way to go, but I could be really, really wrong. LP, what up? Damn, what? Okie dokie. Anyways, Rick M, I'm hot. Thanks. Perfect play. What up? How's it been going? How's your trading been? Rick M, what is this? This is trading? Zati again? Trading. Leafer, what up? How you doing? How's it going? Are you guys ready for some fun? Opulent, is it a win? Did it hit your TP? Are you out of the trade? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. The micros to be specific, just that I don't blow through capital because I'm still pretty new. Live portal, heyo, how you doing? How you doing? Are you guys ready for this day? I'm rather... I don't know if pumped is the right word, but let's see. Let's see what opportunities New York brings. Hopefully it brings some opportunities. Yeah. Jetbacks, what? Hi. How you doing? Same old, it's a job. I guess, but I mean, you could have a worse job, right? Just saying. There could be worse things out there. Zachi thanks, that's very sweet. Is there an ad? Am I a millionaire? Manuel, no. No, I'm not there yet at all. Live portal, you know what? I can't complain. Yeah, perfect play. Listen, some of the jobs I've had in my young little life have been very entertaining, so this is definitely better. What part about futures do you not understand? I think, yeah, that's quite a broad question. 25025. Oh, I think I have a different level than you. But I'm assuming it's close, right? So opulent family, what you do when it hits TP, send a whoop whoop, and then you get whoop whoops from everyone in this chat because now we're all super happy because whoop whoop. Whoop whoop, nope, that's not it. Whoop whoop means that you have succeeded and you've had a win, and then everyone can celebrate with you. Boom Banana, you might get in along, nice. Maverick, oh, I love you too, thank you. DK, what's up? You think it wants to take liquidity from London, then search for stop loss. Is that what you're saying? Life portal, I'm still young, I know, but I've kind of been working since I was 16. One of those people. Marcus, yo! Is there good price action today? So, I mean, New York has not opened yet. And the fact that there's such major moves before New York opening, let's see. But, I mean, price action this morning during London was not bad. I had one win and one loss. Unfortunately, I added more contracts to the losing trade, so I am a tiny bit in the red today, like $12 in the red. Which I know is not bad, but obviously I want to be in the green. Dead Wolf, what's up? How you doing? How have your trades been going? You've been awfully quiet. Are we whoop whooping? Are we sad? What's it looking like? Oh, thanks, Rod. Hell yeah, Opulent, let's do this. Am I your online crush? Oh, Blushing, that's so sweet, thank you. Oh, I'm actually blushing a little bit. That was very, very sweet. Thanks, Maverick. What am I wearing? I'm wearing my little corset because I think they're super duper comfortable, and my tights because I was at the stables earlier, and this is what I wear. Right, yep. Perfect play. I saw. I think that could be quite cool. I think I'm gonna have to make that one of the 4. I think that could be really awesome. The next question would be where though. Part of me wants to put it where you guys can actually see it, because this is what it is. It's for you guys. So part of me is like, maybe I should get it under sunny. Maybe put on my bicep and flex with my little itty bitty muscles. I don't know. I guess it could go. I don't know. That might be. Oh, that might hurt. It could go here. Oh, it could go here. Interesting. Rod, what? What do you mean? Okay. Anyways, moving on. Hey, Antonio, Dave, how you doing? In the most respectful way. Solly. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Flip. Like, New York hasn't even opened yet and I'm having such good giggles. You know, it doesn't even matter how the trading day goes now. You guys are making me laugh so much. Flip. But yeah, guys. If you guys are having fun so far, press that like. I'm having fun. I don't think I can like my own stream. That would be very sad. But anyways. Umesh, can you ask me something? Of course you can. What's up? And Boria, hi. Open, what am I doing? I'm having a very good giggle, but I'm actually here waiting for the New York Open. Yeah, it's in a few minutes. I haven't actually labeled out the highs and lows. I've kind of labeled the lows. Here's some highs to be neutered. There and there. The damn freaking trade I got in on. Anyways, moving on. Where's D at? Is D here? Korea, you're from India. Awesome. I'm from South Africa. Live portal. Yeah, you know, it was like holiday work, but I worked as a waitress during the holidays, during the school holidays. But yeah, I started at like 16. I did waitressing. Then from there, you know, I've done odds and ends. I did some promotional work. In between that, what else did I do? Yeah, then I was a fitness instructor at Virgin Active. You know, and then I worked at Body 20. Yeah. You know, there's a list. Boom. Wait, maybe I think Boom might be waiting for the New York Open. Let's see. Boom, are you in a trade? Who's trading GJ? Umesh, I'm on the 1 minute and I'm trading the NASDAQ futures, so M and Q. I have ES open or S&P 500, whatever you want to call it. I have it open on the side because they drive each other. Hello, here's opening. Cool. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, thanks, Maverick. That's so sweet. Wow, Solly. You went long because of Boom and got another 100. I see how it is. I'm just saying. I see how it is. There's some favoritism and I'm not it. But it's fine. I'll go cry in a corner later. Marcus, your mom's from Cape Town. And Antonio, you're from Colombia. That's so cool. Timothy, Thomas. I mean, it was pretty good. Yes, I mean, I butchered it a little bit this morning. I had one win and one loss, but unfortunately, the loss, I was getting a little bit more confident, which I know is not a bad thing, but I set more contracts for the loss, so I'm a tiny bit in red today. I should be in the green, but I'm in the red by like $12. It's not that much, but still, it's frustrating. Right? I told you. E.T., you're from Puerto Rico. That's cool. Umesh, I don't. I'm wanting. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. I'm wanting to get really good at one before I start jumping around. So, like I said, I'm still new. I've actually only been trading since April. Holy cow. Holy cow. Diamante, you needed to go to 26k to break it. What? Elbrus, what up? Solly. Oh, frick, Solly, you are amazing. Oh, cheers, Life Portal. Bye. Enjoy. Holy cow. Holy cow. Is this a sweep before it starts dropping again? Or is this just gonna keep going higher and higher? What are the thoughts here, guys? Looking at how the day went, it was just slowly heading bearish, but was that just a bit of liquidity sweep to get this ridiculous freaking move up? Wow. Hey, Savage. That was super cool. I'm actually a horse rider, so I know exactly what you're freaking talking about. And that's valid. I'm absolutely hating the fact that ES looks very different right now. ES looks like it wants to be bearish. And, I mean, NQ just pulled this freaking 50... Oh, we're still climbing. Like, 60-point climb in the first... What's this? 3 minutes? What? ET, how long before it hits TP? I'm not in a trade. Unlocks for me. 15-minute fair value gap at 126. Apparently it just kind of disrespected it a little bit. Like I said, it's melting on ES. It's melting properly on ES, but it's pushing on NQ. That's not great. Damn, boom, well done. Oh, thanks, Umesh, I appreciate that. And then, bye. Ooh, interesting. Opulent, are you still in this? Has it not hit your TP yet? Yeah, Boom did his thing. Well done, Boom. Whoop whoop indeed. I'm low-key jelly, but that's fine. I gotta wait for my setup. Like I said, today should have been an okay one. Oh well. Flip, I forgot that there's this massive drop that happened. I'm not too happy about this. That ES looks like this. Because ES is just dropping now. Right, Texas? Also, hi, Texas. How you doing? Oh, damn. Opulent, do you take partials or do you just wait for TP? And do you go break even? What do you do? Do you do like a trail stop? Or do you just sit and wait? If that is the case, then much respect. Because holy cannoli, that works. Texas, how are you functioning? Literally, how are you functioning right now? Are you functioning? Maybe that's the better question. What time is it? Gotta trade what I see, right? But got there, got there. Wait till we'll TP it. Damn, opulent. Look at you go. An espresso, that's valid. Zane, hell yeah you are. Hi, how you doing? You are definitely a regular. Mohammed, what up? Really? Really? Texas, absolutely. I don't know where D is. I've been wanting to say a huge shout out to them. Let's have a look. Oh, Global, what's up? I'm having a great day. I was teaching my horse tricks earlier. I didn't get a video though. Bit of a bummer, but I was teaching him some tricks. Lots of fun. I was having lots of fun. And then the other one, I was literally just sitting and having cuddles. I don't think you can have better than that. Oh, thank you, Global. I appreciate that. Seriously, guys, what do we think's gonna happen? Now it just had that massive push up. We're gonna consolidate a bit and then drop. We're gonna keep wanting to go up. ES is looking crazy today. Damn, is Apple Butter here? Okay, a little bit of a falter in this area. Let's see, 2 minute. This looks decent. This looks decent. Antonio. I mean, yeah. Suresh, no, this is NASDAQ. A few Charles, welcome, welcome. I mean, it would be nice if you would come back and tag me in, I'm just saying. Just a little tag in would be great. How big is this? Holy cow, okay. What the hey diddly day is going on today? Wow. Wow, I don't know what I was expecting, but this was not it. Okay, well, we're going with it, right? I don't think 4 is the right amount, but wait, let's double check. This might now come back and bite me in the ass, but I'm trying to be braver? I guess you can say braver with the entries. Straight to jail. Anyways, is it a fake? If this is a fake move up, then this is crazy. Then this is a crazy fake move up. Ooh, nearly messed with that. Ooh, that was close. Okay. It's right by the shelf. Got a little bit of a... Okay, well, we're in this. Let's see if this is gonna now screw me. Oh, it's melting on ES. It's melting on ES. Random guy, you did. You did. Perfect moment to see me get wiped out by the looks of things. It's dropping on ES. Damn. Had the shelf, I had the little bit of an order block. I had the little bit of a fair value gap as well. I really thought maybe this one would be fine. It's hands off, so anyways. My option contracts are moving, but the NQ is going up. Really, Diamante? Okay. Really, that's hilarious. Okay. Random guy, that's valid. That's valid. Took a little bit. Now I need a push up. Come on. Decent push up. Let's go. Let's go. Shoot, have I come in at the time where it wants to start melting? Probably. Damn! Ah, I'm not in profit today. Lol. I'm in... I'm in a little bit of red today. I'm about to be in more red today. I can see it. It's happening. It's because I keep looking at it. Ooh, okay, Solly, let's see. Let's see. How much red? $16. Yeah. If this messes me up though, it'll be more like 80, probably. Oh, there we go. Oh, it was not 80, it was more than 80, damn it. Basically the same amount that I was green yesterday. So I'm even myself out for now. Damn it, that was annoying. Watch it now go up. If it goes up now, I'm gonna be a grumpy goose. I wanted to get in on the momentum. I guess that is what happens when you try and chase price, though. But that's on me. Like I said, I still make rookie mistakes. Boo. What number is this, by the way? 6. This is 7. Boo. Oh well. Oh, thanks. I appreciate that. Gosh, I know. Sam, you think so? I appreciate that. QW less than 3%, if that's what you're asking. I know everyone's like 3%, 3%. It's less than 3%. 6. This is trade 7. I was nearly an idiot and I nearly said, I haven't had a lot of you little bugger. You bugger. What the heck? Watch it hit my TP now. Wait, maybe not. Maybe this is the reversal point. How is it possible that twice times today I've tried to go long at the point of reversal? Text 14. Okay. Calm down. Anyways. I was just about to say NQ now looks like it wants to be heavy. Never mind, ignore me. Bing bong. I need to try and get those up and running. Nox, what up? How you doing? How you doing? You don't like that aggressive entry. Yeah. Yep. 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 That's probably... No ways. They can't be back again. Can they? Well said, it sounds like the monkeys are back. They are? What the heck? This is like the third time the monkeys are here today. I think they enjoy teasing my dog. My mark out the fair value gap below the last new high and watch price will react from there. This one? Yeah. I wanted this entry earlier. I really wanted this entry earlier. It didn't come back far enough to get me. I wanted this. Not even close to my entry. Not even freaking close. First of all, this is rude. That is rude. That wicked me out and then went for my freaking TP. That was just unnecessary. Let me make a note of that. Sorry guys, the notes just help me with regards to... There we go. Backtesting. Just pop that there. Put that there. Put that there. Because then I can see what happened. Why? Dark Angel, what's up? Do I get monkeys that? Yes, I do. Take a photo of the monkeys. Oh, thanks. About to fill up a bearish 4-hour fair value gap. I did see that. I did see that earlier. Yes, clearly. Clearly I was the liquidity, which is bloody rude, but whatever. Sam, not today. I've taken 7 of 10. Let me... They're so annoying. I don't know if you can hear them. Can you guys... Can you hear them? No. JB, it depends on the day and what's happening. So I always do 3 losses done for the day. And you see I've had lots of experience with losses in my past. Or else I try and... You know, I try and be smart with it. Like I said, this would have been good. This would have been a good ETH. That was just a bit of a bugger. Oh well. And now it's going up, up, and away. It did take a bit of liquidity on ES now. Ooh. Did it just make a double top on ES? Just have to enter and buy. Oh, opulent family. Okay, okay, okay. Damn, let's see. What's the sticker? What sticker? Is there a sticker on my screen? The X? Is that what you're asking? What the hell's going on today? Holy cow. What's going on with ES today, guys? Like, technically NQ's not being bad. ES is terrifying me right now. I'm a little scared. It's made an inverse fair value gap on ES. Price can't move without momentum, and momentum is only gained with the previous options to go to the other. Okay, but hear me out, Timothy. Did it even properly take out liquidity though? I know that sounds like a stupid question, right? But wouldn't this have been the area to take out? Or was it literally just stop loss hunting and a lot of people... No, because I know a lot of people have their stop loss further down. Sorry if that sounds like a stupid question. I'm just genuinely curious about that. Sam, why don't I deal with funded account? Because I'm still messing up, as you can see. So I don't want to mess up before I go and deal with funded. I want the little bit of cushioning from a prop firm. Helps. Jason, how are they going? Yeah. I had 1 loss and 1 win this morning. But I was saying earlier that I put the wrong amount of contracts in. So my loss didn't get me a great... Yeah. Anyways. And now I had a loss here, literally by a wick, and then it went back up, which was just rude. Alpi, are you trying this long? I mean, there is a little bit of hesitation. Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. I just won't do as much as I did last time. Let's see, let's make it 3. No, let's make it 2. Let's be a little bit of a baby. Let's see. Stick with trend. Just stick with trend, right? Trend is friend. This could be a mistake, it could be great. Let's see. So Yogi Trader didn't reply. Sorry, what did I see? A highlighter, not a pen. There we go. Sam, you always try to avoid down trade. What do you mean by down trade? Josh G, I need you to explain that one a little bit for me. QW is free YouTube content. So Yogi Trader, I'm from South Africa. When trading, traders put their stop loss under the gap. I did though, English. Here was a little bit of a fair value gap. I mean, my stop was well below it. Like I said, it wasn't a terrible trade. This missed me. And luck's for me, I guess. Is it gonna respect the inverse fair value gap or not? Loki looks like wants to. Yeah, no, maybe he does. JB, what's my overall win rate? I used to say 40%, but recently I've come to realize it's more like 50%? Yeah. When I backtested it at first, it was 40%, but now that I've got my confluences going and I have a little bit of a better mindset, maybe not today, maybe this push-up, I don't know, got the better of me, I don't know. But yeah, I would say it's closer to 50%. Josh, if you have a strategy that focuses on liquidity grabs, it's more about the conviction of the price. Okay, Josh. Dark Angel, how's this looking for you, by the way? Is this a good setup for you? Is this not great? Is this running away just not ideal? Yeah, 2 is not a lot at all. Jason, you think avoid tracing on the retracement, stay on the trend? Explain that one. Why would you not want to enter at discount? Sarab, I use both concepts to come up with my strategy. Yeah. So I'm not like strictly one or another. I use both concepts, especially with regards to the confluences for my strategy. Oh, this is just running away again. Cool. Holy moly. QW, so the average RR is 1 to 2R, so 1 risk, 2 reward. Yummy! What's up? What's up? Timothy, ooh. Right where my stop loss is sitting is liquidity because you aren't the only person that entered that trade on the bottom. I hear you, but would they have the same trade as me? You know, I know this is a bit of more of a style I don't want to say I came up with, but would it really be the same? I guess maybe lower down, there would be more. Don't trade for New York AM Open. This is after. This is precisely how many? Just nearly half an hour. No? Yes. Yes. Oh, thanks QW. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh. Really? Oh, that's interesting, Knight. Thanks. I didn't know it was because of Nvidia. Ashish, thanks. I appreciate it. TP at 195. I'm assuming you're in this. Oh, you're so close to TP. You are so close to TP. That's exciting. That is so exciting. This is... It's just running away. Oh, it's hit that resistance level again on ES. Does this mean we're gonna have a good drop down? Maybe? Probably not. Hamza, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back. Where you been? Right, it's a little bit, yeah. Confused YouTuber, what up? How's it going? Why are you a confused YouTuber? JB, how many? So I tend to do like, say 4.5 hours, right? So I trade the London session. How long is that stream? Normally, yeah, that's normally 2 hours. Normally trade 2 hours during the London, and then New York is usually 2.5 hours. So 4.5 hours a day. Yeah, no, so who else waits for fair value gap on the 5 minutes? I'm sure a lot of people wait for fair value gaps on the 5 minute. Yeah, clearly, Antonio. Clearly it just went, oh! What the heck is going on? I feel like that was so disrespectful to just wick me out, and now it goes and does this. So rude. Okay. Well, it's hit a bunch of highs. Whose TP just hit? I know someone's TP just hit. Whoop whoop. Yeah, whoop whoop indeed. Damn, Antonio! Well done. Monk, hi, what's up? Hey, Dev, what's up? QW. I know you're right, I just don't want you to be right. This is insanity. This makes me super grumpy. Super grumpy. Especially because I had the right idea. Holy cow. It looks like it's slowing down on NQ. Oh, no, never mind. I'll just shut up and stop talking. Every time I say that, it does something different. Aw, that's okay, Hamza. How was the studying though? Was it good? Yeah. Today is not great. But I mean, I was in the green last week. Yesterday and Monday was green. Today I'm taking a little bit of red, but this is very weird price action. Opulent family. Well done. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. What a flipping good trade. Are you now just done? Turn your flipping screen off. Don't get tempted with these charts. Imported babies. How's the trading mommy going? Am I the trading mommy? Risky? Hi, what up? Gabriella, hi, I'm good and you. If I've missed anyone's messages, I apologize. I'm just witnessing the absolute freaking chaos that is today. Ooh. What even is today? Oh my gosh. The best trade would be from down here. I just feel like it's risky with all the flipping liquidity it's just taken. How big is this also? I mean, 20 points. 20 points. Oh, QW, thank you. I appreciate that. Mr. Davis, I theoretically wanted to. Little bastard just stopped me out first. Just rude. Jason, I hear you. Look for a pullback to go long. Antonio, Dave, I don't know if this is too big. Maybe this is the range, but this range doesn't have great confluences. But then I could be missing out on this. No, I think it's gonna, if it's gonna dip properly. Okay. I could have made a mistake. Maybe my entry should have been the smaller range. Let's see. Smaller range would be close to entry point. I could be super cheeky and just take that and... but then... it's not worth it. Random guy? Yes, the trend is your friend. Oh, Jason. I can't tell you pips, but I can tell you points. Let's see. Sorry, I'm not great with the pips, but here was entry. This is literally 138 points. So 16 bars. Yeah, chill. 138 points is absolute insanity. It's gonna keep going up. Would it have missed this entry? Yep, would have missed that entry also. It's... okay. Is everyone doing this, like, I don't know, getting trades in before FOMC later this evening? Do you think this is why it's pumping? If we don't continue from 200, we might build liquidity around 200 and then continue. Yeah, looks like it might be the liquidity. Hello, Sure, Timothy. Well, yeah. Jazzy Jeff, you take the day off on FOMC. Valid. Jason, this is ridiculous. Jazzy Jeff, I mean, you're not wrong. You are not wrong. Look at this. What even is this? It's 5. That's still fine. There's no liquidity, no nothing. This is pure momentum run, right, tonight? I mean, could you not theoretically, English, could you not theoretically argue that it's been building liquidity throughout the day? Because it's been slowly climbing down throughout the day, and now it's just built enough to just pop like a freaking champagne cork. Jazzy Jeff, I have not. I've never heard about those two having much, yeah, really. I watched the ES, as you can see it's open here, and the ES is just pumping. Part of me wants to be cheeky and just do a market buy, but I know my luck. If I do that, it's gonna start reversing, so here we go. Speaking of, this might be it. LP, you're taking the mini range. LP, I don't even know if it's gonna come back down that far. Jason, the question is, how far down do you think it's going to retrace? Because there's two ranges I can take. I can take the smaller range. At this point, this bigger range entry is going to be around the same freaking area. The only difference is my stop loss is going to be massive. Timothy, you can... What was I going to say? So you can go English. You can send me an email. I do also have Instagram, but on a fun note, guys, on Monday, this is gonna be popping up, so then we can even share and backtest, and then with Discord we can have like calls and stuff, which will be awesome when we have some backtesting days. Yeah, I think that could be lots of fun. So this is happening on Monday. So just keep an eye out, guys. Only True Trader, what up? Let's get back to the chaos. Sorry. Like I said, just keep it in your calendars. Just especially to begin with though, just a heads up, I will limit it to like 50 people just to try and calm the chaos down, especially because I'm new to Discord. So only True Trader, hell yeah. Texas, TP1 took, waiting for 235, then you're all out. I mean, you are flipping close. Yeah, there's just no entry for me. Man, I know I sound a bit like a whiny baby, but maybe it's just not the day to get in on this. Holy cow, what is going on? I was expecting it to be, I don't know, not this. How big is this move now? I've had to shrink my screen this much to just get this move in. 100, let's say 160 points. That is 160 point freaking climb since opening. So in like 40 minutes, it's climbed 160 points. Ooh, I don't like how this looks right now. There we go. That's a little bit better. Okay. Oh, bless me. I'm so sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, not a great day for shorts. Wow, focus, wow. Banned. No, I'm joking. Vishal, wow. I'm your ex, Nohal. Okay. LP, right? I even said that earlier. I was like, maybe I should just mark a ban. I was like, nope, 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 not worth it, not worth it. Might do something silly. Antonio, it kind of looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah, Knight, that's valid. Thank you, Texas. Thank you. That was a very loud sneeze. I apologize. Jazzy, but is it always a good confluence to use? Try the smaller range. I've probably actually should have done the smaller range with how it's been climbing. This might even be better. Should I be super cheeky? Should I try it? Should I do the super small range? $2525 is a good target right now. Nice. Nice, Jason. Nice, Opulent. Okay, enjoy. Well done. Amazing trade. Amazing trade. You can be super freaking proud of that. Ooh, okay. I guess I'm glad I didn't take that one, but this kind of low-key looks like a... Let's leave it alone. Let me put this back up. What should go back up now? What should go back up now? Okay, so it's hit some resistance on ES. Some being the keyword here. I hear you. It was a nice trade on ES. Like I said, it's hit some resistance though. Yeah, price will go back up and then back it down. Random guy, I'm not in this. I don't know if it's worth getting into this, if this is going to be a massive retest back. because it might be after everything is just done. Wait for the double tap, then look to enter. Enter what? Long? Short? Jason? Hey, Agol. Right now it's just cry, apparently. That's the strategy. Flip. I think this was the range to have been in. Anyways, Neil, you think look to sell? Michelle, do I know why Thomas is not here? No, I think it's probably because he's trading us. Or he's asleep. Are you a scalper? Nice. Diamante, you did. Heyo. Nope. Luxem. Ooh, the swear words that want to come out of my mouth right now. This one? Yeah. Or the previous one. The previous one was a good one. Was it? It's hit some proper resistance on ES, which means this could be a potential shift down, which means it's not worth it. In the long run, it's risky. It's risky. Might not be the worst idea, but it might be a terrible idea. Let me set this back up. Let's see. I just don't know if it's worth it. There's a lot for it to come and grab now. There's a lot. Okay, Jazzy Jeff, I'm gonna have a look into that. That's really interesting. Giannis, full port long. Jazzy Jeff, it's what made you profitable. Interesting. Random is Bitcoin pumping? Interesting. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Jazzy Jeff, I'm gonna have to go and retest that. Backtest that a little bit, but thank you. That's super, super interesting. Can open it up on the side here with ES. Michelle, what comes after 5? 6? Why? QW, that's what I'm thinking, right? I could be wrong, watch me now be wrong, but now apparently some of the momentum has died down. This move has made me super nervous. It's probably not wise to get in on something if you're nervous about it. Knight, you're shorting ES high for 3R trade. Okay, cool. Tiago, what up? How you doing? There's the double tap happening now. Okay, Jazzy Jim, no, 100%. I will. I'm going to take that into consideration. Well, not. I'm going to go and test it. You just stop to break even. Let's see. Knight, you go break even. Vishal, damn, dude. MQ, I've heard gold has been quite fun to trade recently. Fluffy Bunny, nah, the chat used to influence me, especially when the chat got busy. Now I kind of, well, obviously I listen to you guys, but if there's a 50-50, I tend to stick with it. But I feel that everyone helps me, ironically, keep my head. I know that sounds ironic, but you know, you guys keep me... What is the word I'm looking for? Accountable, that's it. Everyone keeps me accountable. If I mess up because I was a dumbass, you guys straight up say, why did you do that? And you do hold me accountable. If you see I'm letting my emotions get the best of me, you know, if I even say, I've said it a few times where I'm like, this is a dumb trade, and guess what? I place it. Whoop, here we go. So, you know, no, I stick with my strategy. The chat helps me with things that I can actually genuinely go and backtest and figure out. Woohoo! What did I say? Damn! That would have been in and out. Boom. Cool. Exactly, random guy. Keep me from FOMO entering. Ouch. That's all I'm gonna say. Ouch. Hey, boss. Yes, from South Africa. Michelle, nice. Recreate? I've only been trading since April. I haven't even been trading a year yet. Like I said, guys, I'm not here claiming that I'm a million. I mean, that's why I have my P&L and everything up so that you guys can see where I'm at. So, like I said, I'm down $118 today, which kind of sucks a little bit. I think everyone's having a great day except for me because it just wicked me out, the little bugger. I would have been up in the green so nicely if it had not done that. Oh well. Knight, that's not bad though. Oh, what did Bob do? What did Bob do, Dad? What did Bob do? Trade with cash? Hey. Subhit, hi. Sorry if I pronounced that terribly. Yeah, well done, Knight. Whoop whoop. That was amazing. Whoop whoop for you. Oh, sorry, Texas, but that's still fine. Really, random guy, really? Thomas K, apparently, yeah. You're it. Tips and tricks waiting for confirmation to go long. Let's see. Thinker, number one, I'll let Auntie slide. Number two, how do you know I don't do this for a living? Oh, cheers, Texas. Well done, though. Well done. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, Jazzy Jeff. Yeah, frick. And thank you for the information. I'm really going to backtest that. That's very interesting. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. Awesome. From the Philippines watching. Hey, Echo Legacy. That's so cool. Backtesting 12 hours a day for 3 months helped you become profitable. How did you have 12 hours in the day to sit there and backtest? That's a lot of hours in a day and for 3 months. Exited at that spot for scalping on extreme strong range like this process. Nice. Nice, Knight. Recreate? How long have you been trading for? Aw, thanks S2K World Gaming. Appreciate it. Much love to you too. I feel like I may have now just missed the move completely. Out of curiosity, where would this entry have been? This bigger range would have just wicked me in. Let's see. If this is actually the range I should have been aiming for. I low-key want to cry because I've missed all of this, but you know what? It is what it is. A bummer. Oh well. Antonio, really? You think we're just gonna range now? Okay, well, then I'm screwed because my strategy does not work with range. Or rangy markets, that's it. Gold and silver, hey, how are you? I was actually chatting about you the other day. Sunny, what up? Akash? What's that? Alfred Glenn, I'm using Tradeify currently. Oh, thanks Antonio Dave. Enjoy, I hope work is great today. Mad love, thank you for popping on. I hope you had a whoop whoop day. One long, why not? Gold and silver? No, I haven't, but I was... Who was on? There was someone who was asking about gold and silver and they were trying to say stuff and I was like, aha, see, I learned a lot from you. Oh, Thomas K, that's sweet. I would have taken the money, just saying. Bob? What did you get? A massive whoop whoop? Are we whoop whooping? Michelle, what's up? High probability range for some time and slowly push higher. Bingo healer, hey. Thanks, Kenty. Hi, by the way. Ooh, damn. Careful. Solly's not here to play around. It's hit. Let's hit that zone again on ES. Like I said, I low-key want to cry. Such a perfect wick in. And now it's slowly headed up. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's about to breach that resistance zone on ES. Properly though? Let's see. I mean, there's a fight going on there, that's for sure. Nice! Well done, Recruit. Texas, I thought you were done. Damn. Trade with the cash. Sorry, sorry? Nox. Next card is red. There we go. Nice, Bob. Well done. Whoop whoop indeed. Holy cow. That is awesome. Benjamin, what's the biggest bug I've ever stepped on? I don't step on bugs. I don't willingly go out and kill things. Except for horseflies and ticks. Those two are terrible. Nasty little buggers. Thanks, Thomas. SMT form now. Opening the matrix. Yes, this is the stock market. It's Nikhil. Hi. Ooh, okay. Knight, you're short here again for a small position. Really? Let's see. I'm not smart. Thanks, I think. Okay, Canty, here we go. MNQ, go on. Texas, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I haven't had him for very long. I think we're figuring each other out still. Oh, that's cool. Hi from South Africa. Ooh, Knight, this kind of looks like it wants to start climbing. Especially on ES again. I can't believe I missed this. MNQ KNT. Ooh, gold and silver. Thank you, I appreciate that. Just make sure. Give me 2 seconds. Nox, what up? Gosh, Spam is just on a freaking mission today. Oh. Noted. Got it. Thanks, Bob. Thank you. Would have been a win. Yep. Thomas, I know. Oh, well, let's see. I mean, it still hasn't broken. This could still be a little bit of a shift down, but it's just ranging up and down, which is not ideal for my strategy. Let's see. Okay, Salty Maya is back out apparently. Because I feel like I missed so many good... Yeah, I say that. None of these actually came back in to tag me. This came in to tag me, but then also to screw me by a wick and then go back up, which was just rude. This wouldn't have tagged me in. This didn't tag in. Did it? No, it didn't. Nope, did not tag in. No tag. This is the first tag. But this could also be the reversal. Hey, Peace Ninja, what up? What? Thanks, I'm not smart, that's funny. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, or the MNQ to be more specific, so it's the micro Nasdaq futures, just so that I do not blow through capital while I'm figuring something out. Oh, Azbeh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. It's fine. I had a lot of energy coming into trading today. I think my energy's slowly going down. Maybe I need coffee. No, coffee's a bad idea so late in the afternoon. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon here, which means coffee could just... then won't sleep. What's it? Trader Rensler. Hi. Oh, okay. Cheers, Vishal. Enjoy. And hi, Vishal Hari. Hi. Peace Ninja, what are you... Yeah, what are you trading? What are you into trading? Okay. Anyways. Trader, yes I am. I am South African. What gave it away? Was it the accent? To be fair, I've been told I have an American, a British, an Australian... what other accent? I've been told another accent that I was like, what? That was new. I know, it looks like it. Hi, welcome. To a Michelle H. How you doing? Solly, you're having a 1:30 AM coffee. Ooh, nice. You're going fishing after FOMC? Jealous. I say that, I'm not great at fishing. I've tried. I've given fishing a go. I'm just not great at it. Why does it look like it's still climbing on ES? But now it wants to potentially start dropping down on NQ. Oh, damn. A trader, awesome. Are you also South African? Trader Rensler? Yeah? You used to trade micro S&P. What do you trade now? I've taken 3 trades today. 1 was a win and 2 losses, unfortunately. This one literally just wicked me out, but, you know, was the right idea. Just unlucks, right? It is what it is. Timothy, I'll go check it now. Really, KNT? Why? What limitation is there with it? Oh gosh. Leo G, no. I'm still learning. Like I said, guys, I'm here to be honest about everything. I'm not here to try and mislead or lie or say that, oh, you know, you're gonna make millions if you follow me. Oh, damn, Peace Ninja. Okay, why? What happened? Right, so anyways. Green Emerald Frog, what up? Where you been? You've been so quiet. No, I'm sorry, the bear. I'm so sorry. Stego for life. Hey, how's it going? How you doing? Sorry, I'm gonna sit and chat to you guys right now because I'm waiting to see what this chart wants to do. Still a little bit bummed about all of it. Anyways, it's fine. I shouldn't be bummed about not getting in on this. I'm bummed about the wick out before it ran up. That was rude. But I shouldn't be bummed about not getting into an entry with this absolute mayhem that happened today. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I actually expected it to be choppy today. I was not expecting this chaos at all. This was a bit of a shocker to me. Thomas, yeah, we're creating a new range. Ah. Really gold and silver, interesting. Knox horse market. You gotta have a lot of... So, to give you guys an idea, sorry, just because Knox said that, this is... Knox, this is your fault. So, there was an auction that happened here in South Africa recently. The most expensive horse went... What did they buy? They got him for 2.2 million rand. Okay. That was one horse. I think there were 5 others that went for $1 million and up. Actually more, sorry. It's 4, 5... Let's say 7 or 8 horses went for $1 million and above. The highest one was the 2.2 mil, but Yeah, how ridiculous. So there's money. There's money here in South Africa. Just wow. Wonder if they trade. So Peace Ninja, loss after loss. Got discouraged, figured out stop before I blew my account. I mean, this Peace, gosh. Peace Ninja, that's valid. I get, you kind of have to push through though. I think that's the problem. It has to be money you're willing to lose. Cheers, Michelle. Oh, okay, gold and silver. I mean, yeah, I don't know of anyone that actually has a Krugerrand. Market is in the 1 hour fair value gap. Zubair, do you think this could then start popping down after respecting that fair value gap? You want it? Thomas K, yeah, 100%. Trader SA buddy, nice. Oh, sorry Trader Rensler, sorry about that. Oh, Envy, nice. How was holiday? Was it amazing? Yeah, I'm in the red for today, unfortunately. I had 1 win and 2 losses, but the win I had, I didn't place enough contracts, so you know, theoretically with 1 win and 2 losses, I should be break even today, but yeah, I need to start being a little bit more consistent with the amount of contracts that I place. Oh, Green Emerald Frog, that's valid, that's fine, don't worry. Yeah. There's a silver squeeze going on now, okay. Green Emerald, I'm agreeing with you. I think this is double top. I think it might start going down. Ooh, I've not been there before. That's very interesting though. Ooh, I've missed some things. Peace Ninja, horses, nice. NB 2.8 mil for I think. I don't think it was a stallion. It wasn't even a stallion. Money makings. You have relatives in Durban. It is. It is close. Nice. There's a great series on Netflix about the Triple Crown races in the US. Ooh, what's it called? Knox? What is it called? And the market's just stuck in the 1 hour fair value gap. Do you think it's going to reject off of it though, or is it going to not respect it? Oh, Peace Ninja, if you ever want, like, I don't want to say motivation, but just a great community, this is the place to be. Like I said, a lot of supportive people here. Luckily, the ones that are not supportive tend to leave by themselves, so that's great. But with regards to a great supportive community, this is the place to be. And the knowledge that goes on around here can be a little bit intimidating sometimes. Yeah, Nox, that's that, but these are not racehorses. I think that's the difference. These are, yeah. 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 Thanks, Canty. Thunder, take shots. Really? Is that what you are doing right now? Yash, yes, this is the Nasdaq chart. The micros, to be more specific. That it's now just chopping, so that's fun. Thomas K, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's gonna start pushing down. That's just a feeling though. You know, what the hell do I know? John, valid. Valid it is. Oh, you're right, it is an M pattern. Where would you call the neckline though? Would it be the M or the 171 level? Peace Ninja, there's actually, are there? I think there are some Teslas here now. Not a lot though, not a lot. Are there? Hello South Africans, have you guys seen Teslas down here? Actually don't know if they are. Anyways. 170th NQ could drop, that would be awesome. Yeah, let's see. No, I'm not sure about that. Solly, why are you lying? Oh, thanks, Peace Ninja. I appreciate it. Plague Ink player. Well, hi. Race for the crown. Ooh, thanks, Nox. Guess what I'm gonna be watching then later. Finally, a red 15-minute. Yeah, you can see. Timothy, sell entry TP is the swing low. You think? I'm still waiting for confirmation. Let me just wait for confirmation first before I get in, get screwed. As one does. Oh, Green Emerald Frog. I would have said cars, but recently checkers 60/60 is a thing. So highways, cars. Streets, probably motorbikes, because essentially checkers 60/60, it's grocery delivery system, and they use their little motorbikes and they go and deliver groceries. And those little things are everywhere. Oh my gosh. Have I ever been to Pakistan? I have not. I haven't actually. 333 subs, that's good luck, is it? Yeah, sorry, I haven't actually been to Pakistan. I haven't been able to travel that much. I have traveled. I can't complain. I know I've traveled more than some people have. But definitely not as much as I want to. Sorry, I'm not trading currency. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Ooh, flip. Sorry, Knight. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You would think that. No, we don't. How do I put this? We don't have a lot of charging ports. So we're starting to get a lot of hybrids down here. But there's not a lot of just electronic cars. From my limited knowledge of cars. So guys, you know, please correct me again if I'm talking absolute rubbish. I'm not a car expert. No, I took partial 180 and hold 50% for low area with break-even stop entry at 205. Okay. Green Emerald Frog, right? I'm just waiting for the breakout, or could just be doing this for the rest of the day, which means I literally move. I missed the whole. Well, no, I got taken out on the whole freaking move. Can you tell I'm a little bit salty about that? Look, just a little bit. It's fine. Thanks, Kanti. Peace Ninja. Yeah. I do. I have a car. I need to have a car. My horse is like a 30-minute drive away from me, which sucks. But yeah. Simon, buy land. It's the only thing that aren't building more of. I mean, Simon, that's pretty valid. Ooh, is this a little bit of a breakout now? Is this it? Is it happening? I mean, there's that itty-bitty little range. I don't know if I would have trusted that, though. Ow, 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 ow. Again, there's no real entry for me here. It's going, question mark, maybe? Nox, I do not have an e-car. No, don't be crazy. I can't afford a freaking e-car. okay. Okay, Bob. Okay, Bob. Is she in a short? Sorry, I was thinking it, but I didn't say it. But I was thinking it. I'm just. Oh, enjoy, Thomas. I hope it's a good gym session. Zube, I think it is, yeah. Timothy? Whoop whoop! Amazing, well done! That is awesome! Sorry, Timothy, sorry. I'm sorry. Let's see if you get a full. Okay, what game is this? The game of life. Full of ups and downs and frustrations. Good, this is trading. Aww. Oh, thank you, Trader Rensler. I think. I appreciate it. Thank you. Trader Rensler. So I trade both the London and New York sessions. So mornings, you're South African, I can say times. So morning 9 a.m. to around 11 a.m. and then the PM like 3:15 to 5:30ish. Yeah. Yeah. Around those times. Envy? Are you crazy? Absolutely not. I'm gonna show you the funniest hat. No, it might offend some people. Maybe I shouldn't show the hat. Anyways, it's the funniest hat that I got from my dad. Anyways, I don't know if I can. I think a lot of you guys, not a lot, but some people might get offended. Let's not offend people. Let's be decent. Thanks, Trader Renza. I appreciate it. Hopefully, see you then tomorrow. Yeah. And hopefully, it's a better day for me tomorrow. This looks like the M that's now breaking down, which is good. What does it look like on different time frames? This range down is not terrible. Let's see. Ow! Ow! Owie! Anyways. Solly, show me the hat. Okay, I'll explain the hat to you because I think it might do weird inverse things. So you know the Land Rover Discovery logo? The hat is that logo, but instead of Land Rover Discovery on it, it says Hangover Recovery. Yeah. Opti, good question. Come and show it. Zube, you're long? Really? Can I stop placing was better than the last trade? I would have wanted to try short twice and thinking. Okay, nice. Thanks, Mohammed. Oh, it's okay, Knight. It is what it is, right? David! It was my dad's hat. And then the one day after, you know, I was young. I was pretty young. And after a party, I was lying on the couch, very obviously a feeling of the previous night, just lying there with like my arm over my face. And he just came and plopped the hat on my head. He was like, "This is yours now," and I was like, "That is so rude, but hilarious." Yeah, so, yeah, David, don't let New York. Yeah. Opti, you know what? When I become profitable, I'll let you know. I'm still not profitable. I've been doing this for like 7 months. And I know everyone takes their own time. And I was headed up. Oh well. I mean, have you slept yet at all, David? And what time do you have to get up? Lehman, hey, what up? Envy, right? Yeah, it was hilarious. That was a very good giggle I had on that day. It's slowly going down, it's slowly going down, it's slowly going down, slowly going down, slowly, 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 slowly. This could be something. This might be a little bit risky, and this is a very small... Or this could be the pop back up. Hit that fair value gap again. I don't... Oh my gosh. I had the fair value gap. I had this little bit of a shelf. I had this little bit of an order block. Let's see if this was a mistake. What happened? Come on. What just happened? Why is it frozen? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come. Oh my gosh, am I still live? Can you guys still see me? Oh my gosh. Are you sure? I'm pretty sure this is frozen. I can't see the time or anything. And it wouldn't let me put my take profit up. Now this is frozen. There we go. Maybe it's not frozen. Is it seriously just sitting there? No, okay, it was frozen. There we go. Now it's placed my TP. Okay, thank you. If this takes my stop loss, I'm calling it for the day. Like, it's right. Cool. Calling it for the day. Nice. And now it's having a moment. Why is it having a moment? I can't do anything. If I'm still in this trade, I'll giggle. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna... Anyways. Shoot, I'm still in this. It didn't take me out. That's not good. Is this gonna keep going up? Is this gonna come back down? Pip. I have absolutely no control with what's happening right now. That's great. This is amazing. I can't do anything. I don't even think I can close this order. I'm gonna try close position. And it's running away. There we go. What even was that? That was terrifying. Oh, okay, I didn't lose that much. Oh, that freaked me out. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. I was having a proper mini moment there. Let's not let that happen again. What the heck? Ooh. Sorry. Jack and Sally, yeah. Just breathe, boys. Got it. I have no idea. David, it did. It did that. You little... Cool. 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 Cool, 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 cool. It's a red day, guys. It's a red day. Damn. Oh well. It is what it is. I thought it would at least come down and hit VWAP. It was even below VWAP on ES. I thought VWAP would hold it down. Then again, should I be trusting my VWAP? My VWAP's all over the freaking place. Well, that's me done for the day, guys. I do always say 3 losses, done. I am in the red, not by much. So that's okay. Not even $200 in the red, so, you know, it sucks. But it's not like I'm $1,000 out, thank heavens. Was this? It was. That was... I'm wanting to swear, don't swear. It's not necessary, don't swear. Heading over. Sorry guys, just making notes with regards to this. I'm gonna take over. Oh. Not internal liquidity. Tap. Here we go. Okay. So I know that was a loss, but hear me out. I thought it would at least try and take out this internal tiny bit of liquidity right there. And then tap VWAP before going back up. That was my thought process with it. Clearly I was wrong. Clearly I was wrong. But that was the thought process behind that trade. I know it took this bunch of liquidity, but with this strong movement down, yeah. Oh well, it is what it is. Moving on. Oh my goodness, sorry. Nox bucking everyone off today. Yo, you go, Nox. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, lesson learned. Maybe just don't even freaking bother trying. QW, both. Envy, that's a good idea. David, obviously. Lemon, sorry, what's up? Songs Corner, damn, I'm sorry. Notification does it though. Rockets #1, no. Yes and no. I saw it on the order block on ES, and I was thinking of it, but sorry, my phone's going crazy. Envy, wouldn't you like to know? I'm super close to the beach, so literally I can walk. It's like not even a 10-minute walk to get to the beach. It's awesome. AR, how's my day been? Oh, thanks, notification. I appreciate that. Bad day today. I'm done trading for the day. Oh, this was 8 of 10 BTW. Nope, wrong thing. Done trading for today. Bit of a bummer. I can just stay there. Limit. Sorry, I did see your pun. I'm sorry. It was very good. I appreciate it. Thank you. Ooh, nice, David. Are you like on a beach front or something? That is so cool. Let me quickly see something here. Let me see why my phone is going absolutely mental. Okay, whoa. QW, wait. Let me get comfortable. Let's do this. There we go. Beating myself up in the process. David, how tall are you? So QW, losing that trade made you a lot of money. It'll stop you from trading towards inner range liquidity in the long run. I use it for confluence to trade towards higher time frame trend rather. QW, which time frame do you trade again? DAX. So the thinking behind it was you could see that there was a higher low here, and it did break this M structure. I thought, if anything, if it was a bit of a retracement, I was hoping it would come for this little bit of a fair value gap on a higher time frame. And there's a bit of liquidity and the VWAP. I was hoping it would just go down. I mean, you could see my trade is right by VWAP. So that was the thinking behind it. I was hoping it would go a little bit further down before it went back up. That was it. That was the reasoning. Yeah. Clearly I was wrong. Lesson learned. Ooh, hell yeah, let me know. I've started playing online chess. I'm not the bestest. Yeah, please don't get me wrong. I'm not great. I actually only learned how to play chess probably 2 years ago. And I played with a friend, and then that friend moved. So then I stopped playing, and I've only kind of gotten back into it recently. Ooh, Envy. I mean, that's kind of down the road, kind of. It's probably around an hour. Yeah, less than an hour from where I live. Oh, Sigma, greetings from Finland. Hey, how are you? You are 661. Nice. Nice. Oh, AR. I mean, listen, yeah, my dog just loves to think that he is the world's best crab hunter. It is now his thing. He hasn't caught one, but he thinks he's the best. Do I like Forex? I don't have an opinion on Forex. Sorry. I've never traded it. Never really looked that much into it. QW, use the 4 hour and 1 hour to see the trend you enter on the 5 minute. Nice. Lemon. I can't, well, I mean, if you just go into YouTube, just search teach Maya trading. Oh, it'll be right there. Oh, thanks, David. I appreciate that. I like to think I am. How would I be trolling people? Like, I can't even do poker face. Yeah. So I know I'm now just sitting. Let me do this. Let's just. Like I said, I'm done trading for the day. I had my 3 losses, so I'm out. I'm gonna just stick around a little bit longer, have some chat with you guys, reflect, calm myself down a little bit. Yesterday I wanted to scream into a pillow because I missed a winning trade. Today I want to scream into a pillow because today was just frustrating. FOMC, noted. Maybe I should just not trade FOMC days. Yo, AR, listen, he is super duper adorable. Yeah. Cheers, everyone, enjoy. No, sorry. Maybe I need to go. My brain read gotta go by. Not gonna be huge. My bad. Oh, for me? Oh, what? You want to troll? Okay. Do I ever trade gold? Baby wipes? I have not. I've heard it's been quite fun to be trading gold recently, though. Lower time frames give better RR, but lower win rate. Ooh, interesting, QW. Especially for your strategy? I'm assuming, obviously. Oh, thanks, AR. Yeah, no, you're right. You're right. You're right. Things happen. I'm just being salty. I mean, Monday and Tuesday were green days, so I must just get over myself. It has lost a little bit of momentum now, though. Especially on this up. The problem is, apparently, I thought it was out of range. Apparently, this is now the range. It's a very big range. So, I mean, if you trading the ranges, I think you can be super happy. Let's see if I'm correct. Let's see if this starts going back down a little bit now. Well, baby wipes, I'm using an eval account right now, so doesn't matter too much. No, that sounds bad, but you know what I mean. Story, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, so I'm not trading a currency. Trace blind one, basically trend following with traces of ICT. Okay, QW, so we similar. See, I did not call that right. I said it might go down. Nope. Hey, Lemon, what up, what up? How's it going? How's it going? What do you mean by learn the stuff I do? Baby wipes, you think it's gonna go up? Yo, Lemon, well, welcome to the chaos. You know, personally, obviously I'm gonna say this, but I was gonna say, if you just come on every day, you learn a lot just generally from the chat and the amazing group of people that's here. But I mean, there are, if you just go onto YouTube, there's a bunch. I want to slowly start doing like a super basics beginner course. Because, like I said, I'm not here trying to pretend that I have been trading for years and I'm making millions. I have not. I am just here enjoying the journey, and I'm glad that you guys are here with me for the journey. Night, it was 50-50 up until today. These last 3 trades screwed me a little bit, but it was on like a 50% win rate. So now I guess it's back to around 40% win rate. Lemon, no, I'm actually South African. Diamante, I know, it's because I'm done trading for today. So I'm just sitting having chip chats, but I'm done trading for today. I reached my limit. So I'm done. Ah, baby wipes. Oh, sure. So okay, let's do London. I trade from opening, so from 9. Oh, actually, I guess I start a little bit earlier. I do 9 a.m. South Africa time. Sorry, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I trade the London, and New York. I trade basically 15 minutes from opening, and then I trade until around. So let's do EST time. I trade from 9:15 until around, what's it? 10:30, 11. Yeah, EST time. I feel like I'm butchering that. 11:30. Have I written out my trading plan? QW, explain. What do you mean by have I written it out? Lemon. I mean, yes. I'm not Afrikaans, and I'm not great at speaking it, but I know Afrikaans. Oh, nice, Knight. Well done. That's amazing. It's Miranda. Hi. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, but I'm done. I'm done for today, though. I'm just kind of hanging around, having a bit of a chat and talking about how the trading day went. Yeah. Percy K, what up? How you doing? Change to gold and a higher time frame. Future trading? Okay. Why? Tube treasure, trade, order flow, then I'll see the real thing. I'm assuming you use order flow, right? Oh, yay! Oh, that's amazing, Knight. Well, I think that deserves a whoop whoop. I mean, apart from obviously all your wins today, but whoop whoop. That is awesome. Can I do neck cracking? No. No, just no. Knight, that is amazing. Well done. I'm so glad. Oh, okay. Bye, Miranda. Cheers. 4 rules that you'll follow in your trading day. Exactly what you're looking for, entry and exit a trade. Huh. QW, I have not. Maybe I should do that. Maybe every day before a trade, write out some specific rules and just learn to stick with them. Or I can even just write it and pop it on my wall there, so I have to look at them. Not a bad idea. I do try and stick with them. Like I said, I do sometimes make rookie mistakes. Like I said, the mental thing is hard. I've been quite bad with the mental thing today. Yeah, I don't know why. It feels like I've taken a tiny bit of a step backwards with the mental thing today, which sucks. But I know it's part of the journey, right? It's part of the roller coaster that is called trading. You're going to have some great days where it just feels like you've nailed it, and then it comes and humbles you the next day. Solly, agreed. Okay, let me do a checklist. That could be quite nice. Reading, nothing Rosen. Hey, there we go, Knight. Well, Knight, are you feeling better about the trading after today, by the way? I know yesterday you were saying, yeah, you know, if after this you're done, you're done. Oh, thanks, QW. No, that's valid. Uh, Nana, hi. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, and over here I got ES open. Oh, thanks, Ernest. Thanks for the sub. Solly, yes. Yes. You know how often I have to remind myself about that? I think I just... Do you know what it is? I even said it on both of these. No, I didn't. I did kind of. Here I said, let FOMO take over. And here I said, tried to chase price and rushed in. Like I said, today actually, theoretically, the mental part got me. Which is frustrating, but I guess, you know, you learn. Damn it, that sucks. Okay. Check at that. How nice was this freaking trade? Oh well. It is what it is. Oh, thanks, B. I appreciate that. Ooh, QW, that's valid, right? Hey. Chris Witcher, yeah, it's all still an eval, so that's valid. How have you been? How's the trading been going? Did you get in on this crazy freaking price action today? Future trading, 8 losing streak. Are you on an 8-day losing streak? Nice night. No, I'm glad, but that's the point, right? Consistency is key. I think that's where I still battle with. Some days I've got it. I've got it. And then other days, like I said, the FOMO and things take over. Yeah, I gotta learn to control that. So, Solly, this is where that day trader, not everyday trader, would then come in. Because just because everyone else is getting into trades doesn't mean I have to get into trades. Oh, thanks, QW. I appreciate it. Draw? Oh, damn. Okay. Really? I don't think I'll be able to do those 2 to 3 week holds. Yeah, difficult. Ahmed, evening. How you doing? So I'm playing on hard mode. How life feels, so it's fine. I'm used to it. You little bugger. Here it goes, up, up, and away. Is anyone still in longs, by the way? I really thought that would have been the shift after it's just been going. Anyways. How much was I up in September? Before I got this eval, So I got a new 50k eval, but before I got this one, I was actually, like I said, I was climbing myself up out of a ditch, and I had gone up nearly, well then theoretically I'd gone up nearly 3k, but because I had been messing around with the previous strategy, I was climbing myself up out of a ditch. So actually probably more than 3k, sorry. I'd nearly... That's a good question. Let's say 3k. Let's say 3k. Damn, Chris Witcher, nice. You got stuck. To be fair, check. This is what happened here. I got wicked out and then it went up for a freaking win. That was annoying. Here I was convinced that it was gonna keep going down. That, yeah. Oh well, it is what it is. And now apparently we're just soaring up, up, and away again. Damn. Oh well. How are gold futures doing? Apparently gold's been doing really well. Mongyang? Yeah, why? Oh, thanks, Envy. I appreciate it. Oh, nice, Plague. Nice, 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 nice. Wow. Well done. Well done. Whoop, whoop. That is awesome. Anyways. What does the chart look like on the 1 hour? Let's check, shall we? Who? Okay, sorry, let me just quiet all that down. There we go. Slowly going up for that bullish still. Well, let's see. Is it going to continue? Yeah, 1 hour still looks pretty decent and bullish. Yeah. Chris, which in particular are you talking about? Watch you two. Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. How are you? And you're out of this trade for a whoop whoop. Tube treasure? Whoop whoop. Hey Zane, me too, twinsies. It's fine. It is what it is, right? You win some, you lose some. Oh, I'm so sorry. QW, I went into the 1 hour and then probably didn't show you what it freaking looked like. Oh, okay, bye. Bye and bye. Let me show you, sorry. There we go. There's the 1 hour. No, Plague Ink player, whoop whoop, well done. You deserve it. Like I said, this is a community of people that actually genuinely want to try and support one another and be happy for everyone's wins. This is not a rubbing it in your face. You know, as you can see, some days are red, some days are green. We gotta feel amazing together for the green days. Okay. Okay, Chris Witcher. Got it, got it. Lemon. Oh yeah, let's play chess one day. I will be so down. Let's do it. It's okay, Solly, don't worry. Disappointing. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Yeah, QW, valid. Hey, high life. No, today was a bit of a red day for me. Unlux. How was your trading? Did you get a bath? He got a bath. Anyways, moving on. If SMT happens on all-time high, you're gonna try that short. Okay, okay. Diamond, good question. There is a reason. Oh, I think LP's gone. LP can tell you exactly. I think there's just restrictions. I think just some of them don't like South Africa. No, I don't think that's it. I think there's just some restrictions with regards to South Africa. J Shri Ram, hi. Yeah, Lemon. Yeah, you did. You found me on Twitch. Envy, yeah, that's valid. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I mean, I started Twitch, but I mean, you can see here that YouTube is the main one. How are we looking? I mean, there my neck clicked. I didn't do it on purpose, though. It just happened. Come on. problem? No, no problem. Just checking. I don't know if you can see my dog. He's sitting here. He's sulking. I think he had a bath now and he's not happy. Why am I dressed like a play bunny? Well, Jay, I would be upset, but that's quite funny. I just find this comfortable. That's about it. I just find it comfy. Hell yeah, go for it, go for it. Okay, but yes. That was an interesting day. That was an interesting day. Yeah, let's call it an interesting day. I'm probably then just gonna call it there for today, guys. Unlux, red day for me. It is what it is. Let's just call it that. But I will be back tomorrow. Hey, Jose. Oh, thank you. Jose, I'm just about to pop off. I'm sorry. Today, gold moved like a sweetheart. Really? Today, I don't even know how to describe what today was on NQ. It was just insanity. It was like a freaking psych ward. Anyway. QW Monday. Monday, the Discord will be dropped. Yes. Oh, okay. There we go. Solly's got me. Solly's got me. Thank you. Thanks, bruv. But yes, there's still tomorrow. Let's see what happens after FOMC today. I think if maybe it was just a crazy day because of FOMC. That's fine. Oh, that's okay, Jose. That's okay. I'll then hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Hell yeah, QW. Hell yeah. I love you guys madly. You know, today was a lesson. Let's see. Hopefully tomorrow we have learned from today's lesson. Okay, but I love you guys then madly. Thank you for the support. If you guys did have fun, please remember to just like the stream below. If you guys use any of the prop firms below in the link, you guys are more than welcome to click on it and use my code if you want to for some discounts. I think that's it. And then, yeah, watch out for Monday. Monday is the day. Oh, before I leave. Bafana, I mean, it depends on where you are at and what you are looking for. But like I said, any of the brokers below are really good with regards to their payouts. Double check that. So if you want to check out any of the ones I'm affiliated with, there's only been positivity with regards to them. Yeah, anyway. Thanks, Envy. Thanks, guys. You guys. Oh, there we go. Well, Bafana, all of the ones that I'm affiliated with are South Africa friendly because I'm also in South Africa. So you can use any of the prop firms below in the description. Okay, there we go. I hope that helped a little bit. But again, I love you guys madly. Let me go before I get distracted again. You guys, I don't want to leave, but you guys are just too cool and I have to leave. I need to at least rest. Okay, I love you madly. I'll be back for the London session. So either see you London or New York, yeah? And there's Perry coming to say bye. I love you guys. Bye. Oh.